Hello, my dear friends. It's your buddy Teddy, and today we're going to have a blast drawing Mr. Beast. Let's get started by capturing his expressive eyes. Next, we'll add rectangular-shaped eyebrows on top. Then, let's draw a cute little nose, and just below it, his mustache. Now, let's create a friendly smile for Mr. Beast with a gentle curve. Underneath that, we'll add a small beard, and then complete his jawline. Moving on to his cool hairstyle, sketch those wavy shapes to make it look just right. Don't forget to add ears on both sides of his head. Now, let's give Mr. Beast some stylish clothes. First, draw his awesome t-shirt. Then, imagine him giving us a big thumbs up with his hands on both sides. For his bottom half, draw his shorts, and below that, add his legs with cool shoes. Lastly, let's put his iconic logo right there on his t-shirt. And there you have it. We're all done. Please, if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll be back with more fun drawings soon. Until then, happy drawing